Hello friends, I welcome you all for our MST CVT online classes from Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badanera. This is Alim Khan, and today we will see our lecture number 5 on differential equation. So in the last lecture, we have discussed the differential equation and the types of differential equation for variable separable form, homogeneous differential equation, and today we will see our new type. This is linear differential equation. Okay, so firstly we see what is the linear differential equation. So the differential equation is of the type dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is the standard form of this equation. Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Now in this equation, this p and q are the function of x only. Okay, so that this equation is called as linear differential equation. Okay, we have the standard form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This p and q are the function of x only. यानी अगर इसमें आप देखोगे so it contain the single value of y. So this is the identification of this linear differential equation. अगर कोई इक्वेशन में एक सिंगल वेरिएबल हो, आपका वो वेरिएबल डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल हो और इस टाइप का इक्वेशन हो आपका dy by dx plus py is equal to q, so that this equation is said to be the linear differential. Now to find out the solution of this linear differential equation, we multiplying the given equation by integrating factor, and this integrating factor is defined by e raised to power integral p dx. Okay, so we have given that the method how to find the solution of this linear differential equation. So we have to multiplying this e raised to power integral p dx to the given equation. So this is the equation of the form. We get e raised to power integral p dx. The bracket term is dy by dx plus py is equal to the right hand side is q e raised to power px. Okay, तो हमने दोनों साइड में क्या किया, e raised to power इंटीग्रल पी dx से मल्टीप्लाई किया. ओके, अब यहाँ पे एक नोट है, वो नोट ये है कि यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है कि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस टर्म मींस डी dx ऑफ y e raised to power इंटीग्रल पी dx, यानी इसका वैल्यू क्या होता है. सो दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शन and these are the function of x, so we have to differentiating this equation with respect to x, so we can apply the product rule. So derivative of this y is dy by dx plus y as it is the term of e raised to power integral p dx. So when we take the differentiation, so here we get y into p e raised to power integral p dx. Okay, so when you see, so this is simply the product of these two function y e raised to power integral p dx. Now when you see, so it becomes d dx of y e raised to power integral p dx. मतलब ये जो वैल्यू था आपका ऊपर के इक्वेशन में, उसका वैल्यू हमने ये यूज किया, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. So we put this value in the above equation, so it becomes d dx of y e raised to power integral p dx is equal to q e raised to power integral. Now to find the solution of this differential equation, so we simply take the integration. So taking integration on both sides, so we get integral of this q e raised to power integral p dx is equal to this derivative integration get cancelled. It is simply y raised to power integral p dx. Okay, so this is the form of the solution of linear differential equation. So remember this thing, it becomes y e raised to power integral p dx integral q e raised to power integral p dx plus c. Here this e raised to power integral p dx is called the integrating factor. Now in short, this method becomes, you have given that this given differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Once you have identified the equation, then you simply define the if. If means this is your integrating factor, and the value of this if becomes you have see this e raised to power integral p dx. ओके, इसमें क्या करना होता है हमको, ये जो p है कंपेयर करके इसका वैल्यू पुट करेंगे और व्हाट एवर बी द इंटीग्रल, सो वी गेट द वैल्यू if. अब आपको सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करना है. सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, इसमें सिंपली यहाँ पे ये फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं, हम y into if whatever be your if is equal to integral q into if dx plus c. Okay, so this is the formula. So in short, it is very simple and it is one of the important type of linear differential equation. When you identify the given differential equation is linear, so firstly you have to define this integrating factor, and after defining this integrating factor, you have to take the standard formula for finding the solution, and this is what y is equal to, y into if is equal to integral q if dx plus c. Okay. Now there is one note for the linear differential equation. If you are given that the differential equation in this form, means here we take the uh, reverse form of the given equation. It is dx upon dy plus py is equal to q. यानी यहाँ पे जो है वेरिएबल का चेंज है. पिछले अगर एग्जाम इक्वेशन में हम फॉर्म देखेंगे, so it is of the form of dy by dx, it is of the form of dx by dy plus py is equal to q. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चेंज आता है. Now here p and q are the function of y only, and the general solution is what? X into if, because your dependent variable is x. So x into if is equal to integral q if dy plus c, where if is defined by e raised to power integral p dy. Okay, so this is another form of the differential equation. कभी कभी जो है तो एग्जाम्पल आपको इस वे से पूछता है, तो वहां पे हमको ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ता है. Okay, so we will see the first example on this linear differential equation. So you can see this. Solve the differential equation dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to power minus x. तो ये हमको यहाँ पे पहला एग्जांपल देखना है. When you see this first example, so it is dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to power minus x. So firstly we take the given equation as it is, and we can say that this is our given equation 1. Now when you observe, so it is of the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So this is what? This is our linear differential equation. Now to find the solution, so firstly we compare this p and q. These are the function of x. So when we compare this p with this equation, तो यहाँ पे y का जो कोएफिशिएंट है वो कितना है? 1 है, और यहाँ पे y का कोएफिशिएंट क्या दिया था आपको? p. तो when we compare this कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y, so we get the value of p is equal to 1. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? जो गिवन इक्वेशन 1 है उसको कंपेयर कर रहे हैं हमारे जनरल इक्वेशन से. नाउ दिस राइट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू q. सो यहाँ पे अगर देखेंगे तो इट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ x, इट बिकम्स e raised to power minus x. So q का वैल्यू कितना हो गया? e raised to power minus x. Now to find the solution, we have to define this formula. Y into if is equal to integral q if dx plus c. This is the standard formula. In this equation, the value of if is what? E raised to power integral p dx. It is also the standard form. Now you have the value of p. P is what? 1. So when we substitute the value of p, so you get e raised to power integral dx. Now we know that how to find the integral of 1 with respect to x. So it is x. So we get the value of if is e raised to power x. Substitute the value of this if and q in this equation number 2. So we get this equation 2 becomes y. This is the value of if e raised to power x is equal to integral. What is q? Q is e raised to power minus x. So we have to substitute the value of q is e raised to power minus x into if is also e raised to power x dx plus c. Now we get this e raised to power x and minus x get cancelled. So it is simply e raised to power 0, means it is 1. So we take the integral of this term. So it becomes integral of dx. And the integral of dx is always x. So we get finally y e raised to power x is equal to x plus c is the general solution. Okay, so that this is said to be a solution of linear differential equation. Similarly, we can see the another example. The example is x sin x into dy by dx plus in bracket x cos x plus sin x into y is equal to sin x. अब यहाँ पे आपको ये इक्वेशन दिया है. अब मैंने यहाँ पे पहले बोला कि when we how to identify the linear differential equation, so just observe this. If you see, so here our dependent variable y, and in the whole equation we have the single value of this dependent variable y, means this is the single value of y. So we can say that this is our what? Linear differential equation. But when you see or when you observe, तो लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज ऑफ द फॉर्म dy by dx plus py is equal to q. यानी कि यहाँ पे जो dy by dx है इसका कोएफिशिएंट हमेशा 1 होता है. लेकिन अगर ये इक्वेशन में देखेंगे आप, तो यहाँ पे इसका कोएफिशिएंट जो है वो x into sin x है. तो अगर 1 छोड़ करके कोई भी कोएफिशिएंट हो तो सबसे पहले उसको हमको वहां से एलिमिनेट करना पड़ेगा. एलिमिनेट करना है मतलब हमको क्या करना है? ये इक्वेशन को अभी डिवाइड करना है, क्योंकि ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन में. सो दैट वी टेक द ऑपरेशन divide this equation by x into sin x, we get. अब इधर क्या चेंजेस आते हैं उससे हमको कोई लेना देना नहीं है। सबसे पहले हमको क्या करना है, ये जो dy by dx का कोएफिशिएंट है वो कितना बनाना है, 1 बनाना है। तो वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस इक्वेशन बाय x into sin x, so this term get cancel, plus now this x get cancel, cos upon sin it becomes cot x, plus now sin get cancel, it becomes 1 by x into y is equal to, again this sin get cancel, it becomes 1 by x. So this is the standard form of linear differential equation, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Now when you compare the value of pq with this equation number 1, so we get the value of p is what, ये p का value हो गया आपका cot x plus 1 by x, जब हमने p को compare किया. Now the right hand side is for q, so q का value कितना हो गया 1 by x, so we take p is equal to cot x plus 1 by x and q is 1 by x. Now its solution by using the formula y into if is equal to integral q if dx plus c. Now in this equation we have the value of if. What is if? E raised to power integral p dx. So when we substitute the value of p, so it becomes cot x plus 1 by x. अब यहाँ पे दो टर्म है इसलिए हमने क्या किया, इसको सेपरेट कर दिया. So when we separate the term, so we get e raised to power integral cot x dx plus integral 1 by x dx. Okay. अब यहाँ पे हम जो है तो इसके आगे का सॉल्यूशन क्या आता है वो देखेंगे. Look at this. So this is the solution. This is said to be 2. Now if. So when we simplify the term, so integral of cot x, so it is very simple. Log of sin x. Integral of 1 by x means it is log x. Now here it is the value of log a plus log b. अब log a plus log b होता है तो it is very simple to take log of a into b. तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, ये जो आपके अलग अलग टर्म्स थे इसको कंबाइन किया मैंने, e raised to power log of, अब टर्म हो गया आपका यहाँ पे x into sin x by using the property of log, x into sin x ले लिया मैंने. Now this exponential log r and d, so this get cancelled, it is simply x into sin x. So we get the value of this if is x into sin x. Now substitute this if and q in the given equation 2, so we get y into if means x into sin x, ये जो हमने फाइंड किया. इंटीग्रल q का वैल्यू कितना था आपका 1 by x, ने यहाँ पे पुट किया हमने, इनटू if का वैल्यू कितना x into sin x dx plus c. तो यहाँ से ये x हो जाता है आपका कैंसल. जैसे कैंसिल हुआ तो आपको सिंपली मिलता sin x. sin x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है, माइनस cos x. So when we see the term, so finally we get the answer is xy sin x. This minus cos इधर आया तो plus cos x is equal to c is the general required solution of given linear differential equation. Okay. So इसी तरह से हम जो है तो दूसरे और भी कुछ एग्जांपल जो है तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. Now this is the third one and this is the another category of this example. Look at this. Solve 1 plus y square into dx is equal to tan inverse y minus x into dy. ये वाला एग्जाम्पल है आपका. अब यहाँ पे अगर हम देखेंगे so it is of the form of dx upon dy लिया मैंने, dx upon d, because this is there are two terms and this is the single term. So when we divide these two terms by this single term, so we get the separation of this differential equation of the form. Okay. So we can take a dx upon dy. ये dx को यहीं पे रखा, dy इधर लेके आया, tan inverse y minus x, और ये term था आपका single, so it is 1 plus y square. Now when you simplify the term, so it becomes dx by dy plus of this 1 upon 1 plus y square into x. Okay, is equal to tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. यहाँ पे जो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है वो आपका है x, और पूरे इक्वेशन में देखेंगे तो ये तो सिंगल dependent variable is x only. Okay, so this is said to be the linear differential equation of the second type, and this type is what, dx upon dy plus px is equal to q, and this p and q are the function of y only. Okay, जो हमने नोट में देखा था वो वाला फॉर्मूला यूज किया हमने यहाँ पे. So when you compare the value of p, so it is simply 1 upon 1 plus y square, and q is tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. So its solution is, so we can take, because dependent variable is x, so we take x into if is equal to integral q if. We have to take with respect to independent variable. So here the independent variable is y, so we have to take dy plus c. Now the if is e raised to power integral p dy. When you substitute the value of p, so it becomes 1 upon 1 plus y square, and integration of this term is tan inverse y. So we get the value of if. Now when we substitute all this value in the formula, so we get the equation of the form like, look at this, x into if is equal to integral q if df dy plus c. if हमने फाइंड कर लिया तो अब सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दे, हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया, this is the value of q, this is our if dy plus c. Now when you simplify the term, so it is a complicated function or the complex function. Now to find the solution, so we simply use the method of substitution, and this method of substitution is put the value of this tan inverse y is equal to t, because this is our inverse function. So we will try to put this tan inverse y is equal to t. Now tan inverse y is equal to t means you have to find the value of dy. So you simply differentiating this function with respect to y, not x. Here it is y. So we get tan inverse y means it is 1 upon 1 plus y square, and the derivative of t with respect to y it is dt by dy. So when we simplify the term, so we get dy upon 1 plus y square is equal to dt. मतलब आपने जो जो सब्स्टिट्यूशन लिया वो इक्वेशन नंबर 3 में पुट करेंगे हम. So we get the equation number 3 becomes x e raised to power tan inverse y is equal to, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में नहीं पुट करना है हमको, इट इज सिंपली इन द राइट हैंड साइड, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने assumption लिया वो राइट हैंड साइड के लिए. So you simply get tan inverse y means it is t, so you get t, the e raised to power t, and the value of dy upon 1 plus y square वो कितना हो गया dt. So you simply get the function t e raised to power t dt plus c. But when you see this t e raised to power t dt, so it is the product, so product of two functions, so we can apply integration by parts. Okay, so the first function is algebraic, the second one is the exponential, so it is in the sequence. LIAT wala rule hai. So when we apply the integration by parts, so first term as it is, integral of second minus in the integral derivative of first into integral of second dt plus c. This is what? This is integration by part. So t as it is. What is the integration of e raised to power t? The same function minus in the integral 1 into e raised to power t is e raised to power t dt plus c. Now this first term as it is minus integration of e raised to power t, same e raised to power t plus c. But we have the value of t. What is t? Tan inverse y. So when we substitute the value of t, so we get this equation of the form. So this x is equal to tan inverse y minus 1 plus c upon e raised to power tan inverse y. When you simplify the term, so it is the required solution of the given differential equation. Okay. So similarly, we can see the another example of this linear differential equation, and it is a theoretical example. Look at this. We have given it some theoretical data. From this data, we have to convert this data into the mathematical form. So look at this. The slope of the tangent to the curve at any point is equal to y plus 2x. Find the equation curve passes through the origin. Okay. So we have given it the slope of the tangent. So you have seen in the application of derivative, slope of the tangent means it is the value of dy by dx. Okay. Slope means it is what? dy by dx. क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे जो फंक्शन लेते हैं y is equal to f of x लेते हैं. So when you find the slope of this function, so we get dy by dx, and it is equal to what? The point y plus 2x. Okay. So firstly, we take this point p of x by be any point on the curve. We have a general curve y is equal to f of x. Now the slope of the point, slope of the tangent at the point is what? dy by dx. जैसे मैंने बोला, और पॉइंट क्या दिया आपको? It is y plus 2x. So when you observe the equation, so we get dy by dx is equal to y plus 2x. अब plus y इधर गया तो minus y. Now this is one of the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Means this is our what? Linear differential equation. So you simply compare this equation with our general equation where p is equal to minus 1. यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पर अगर आप, और q is equal to 2x. Now its solution is obtained by the formula, and this formula is y into if is equal to integral if dx plus c. Okay, this is the formula. So when you substitute the value of if, so what is p? It is minus 1. So we get e raised to power integral minus dx. अब minus 1 का integration लिया तो we simply get minus x. So we get if is equal to e raised to power minus x. Now substitute this value in the equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. Y into if is equal to q into if dx plus c. तो if का वैल्यू कितना है आपका? e raised to power minus x. q का वैल्यू कितना दिया है? 2x. This is if dx plus c. Now when you simplify the term, so you simply get x into e raised to power minus x. 2 तो constant था, integration के बाहर लिया. Now consider this x e raised to power minus x. इसको separately solve करके बताया हमने यहाँ पे, because this is the product of two functions, so we can apply integration by parts. Okay, so x integral e raised to power minus x dx minus integral 1 into e raised to power minus x upon minus 1 into dx, जैसे हमारा formula है. Now when you simplify the term, so we get the value of this is minus x e raised to power minus x minus e raised to power minus. Now substitute this value in the above equation 2. So we get y is equal to minus 2x minus 2 c raised to power x. This is the required solution of the given equation. But also you have given that the condition this curve passes through the origin, means we have given that x and y is 0. So put the value of y, so we get 0 minus 2 of 0 minus 2 c raised to power 0. When you simplify the term, so you get the value of c is 2. Put the value of c in the given equation. So finally we get the required equation of the curve, and this is what 2x plus y plus 2 is equal to 2 e raised to power minus x. Okay, so these are the examples of linear differential equation. So आज का टॉपिक जो देगा हमने लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, इसका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होता है dy by dx plus py is equal to q. जब इसको सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करना है हमको, तो सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने के लिए वी हैव सिंपली the IF integrating factor is e raised to power integral PDS, and after finding IF you have to take the solution of this equation, and it is y into I